If you're getting ready to sell your home in Colorado, one question you should be asking is, will I owe capital gains tax? Right now, many homeowners across the state are sitting on a lot of equity thanks to rising home prices over the last several years. That means when you sell, you could walk away with a substantial profit. But that also means it's more important than ever to understand how capital gains tax could affect you. And just to note, capital gains tax has even become a hot topic in national politics. President Trump has proposed abolishing it, and that would dramatically change how home sales are taxed. But for now, it's still very much in place. So what exactly is capital gains tax? It's a tax on the profit you make when you sell a capital asset like your house. So this is not the median price in Colorado, but just for easy numbers. Say you bought your home for $450,000 and you sold it for $600,000. That $150,000 profit is your capital gain. There are two types. A short-term capital gain, those are assets held for less than a year, and these are taxed as regular income. Long-term capital gains are from assets held for more than a year. These are taxed at lower rates, typically 0%, 15%, 20%. It really depends on your income level. They can be even higher than that. Most homeowners fall under the long-term category, and that's where a big tax break comes in. The IRS offers a generous capital gains exclusion for homeowners. If you're single, you can exclude up to $250,000 of profit. If you're married filing jointly, that exclusion doubles to $500,000. So to qualify, you must meet these 5 criteria. The home is your primary residence. You've owned the home for at least 2 of the last 5 years. You've lived in it for at least 2 of those years, and they don't need to be in a row, by the way. You haven't used this exclusion on another home in the last 2 years. You didn't acquire the home through a 1031 exchange recently. If you meet those, you may not owe any capital gains tax at all, even if you made a large profit. And what if you don't check all those boxes? You might still be eligible for a partial exclusion, especially if you had to move due to a job relocation, health issue, or major life event like a death in the family. This partial relief can significantly reduce your tax burden, so it's worth exploring with a tax professional. So, with home values high and equity growing, many Colorado homeowners are in a position to make serious gains when they sell. Just make sure you understand how capital gains tax applies and keep an eye on the national conversation. If proposals to eliminate capital gains tax gain traction, the rules could change dramatically in the coming years. Until then, being informed is the best way to protect your profits. My name's Leanne Gutlow, your real estate advisor and strategist in South Metro Denver.